Oh boy, I'm back, guys. This will be the last day of stream this week, because we are gonna be out of town for the next week. Oops. All right. We're not doing anything too crazy today. Mostly doing artsy crap. I'm gonna move. Let's move you over here. So basically, we're changing the tile set before we get too deep into this. There we go. Actually, let me make sure that's the music. Okay, it's a little loud. Let's try that. Yeah, that sounds better. That sounds. But yeah, and before we get too deep, I realize this tile set is completely unnecessary. It's way overkill. I don't even think I was using all of the tiles in Godot. So, yeah, we're simplifying it like a lot. And really all we need is this. And I want to make it, I'm gonna style it up a little bit. I don't really like how this looks entirely. I mean, it's fine, but I don't know. I think I want something a little bit more busy. I found this palette online on what is it, Low Sprite or whatever. Oh, I did a double notification on Discord. Whoops. I'm trying to think, what's that website called? Palettes. Low Spec. That's what it is. I don't know if I like it though. I'm not sure if I like it at all, but we're gonna work with it for now. But this is kind of the palette that we're working with, and I feel like these colors just don't match the game. So I might just say screw it, and how's this green look? Oh, that's a gnarly green. Let's darken that up a bit. And then we want like a brownish color. That's not too dark, too orange. See if I can find another one that I kind of like that. And you guys can't see what I'm looking at, but I can't really. I mean, I can, but I'm not gonna add. Let's see. Honestly, now that I think about it, I might just use the original browns I was using. Grab that brown. Dump it on here. Let's grab this green. Right there. Is that the same green? Apparently that's the same green. Okay. Now we need a slightly lighter and a slightly darker green, and we need to make a brush. So that's the base color. So now if we go a little bit darker or a little bit lighter, a little bit lighter still. Okay. If we do that, and if we, I believe we can make this a stamp. How do we make it a stamp? Okay, how do I make this a stamp? Place, add to selection, subtract, intersect. No. Okay. Or a brush. How do I make a brush? New brush. Oh. Okay. That's too much. I want that general outline. Okay, so what we're gonna do then? Back. There we go. Key is there is I can't just draw. How bad does that look? Is that too much bright? That might be too much bright. Actually, it might help if I make this more like rounded. There we go, something like that, and then I can. So I think I want that. Something like that. And then now if I select this. New brush. See, it just looks bad. I can't make a grass like tile map I like, which is frustrating. Now, I wonder, let's look on. I suppose actually I could probably make the I'm gonna think. I could make the grass, or like the foliage that I spawn, I can make that do like the heavy lifting more than... Because I'm going for something that like... I'm trying to think. Like something like Minecraft is what I want, but I can't ever get that pattern without it looking correct. Nope, nope, that's not what I wanted. Actually, to be fair, that doesn't look horrible. Like, yeah, that actually doesn't look terrible. Oh, it barely fits. Neat. Oops. Oh, I didn't get the... There we go. Oh, no, I didn't get that color. There we go. That's actually what we want here. That color's way too bright. There we go. So if we do the same thing here, where we grab this, make it a brush, and then we spray. right, so now get rid of that. Yeah, bigger. Ooh, let's do that. But grab you. There we go. So let's do a fill in. Just to get rid of all that. That. Okay. So this guy is just the palette. And these are like the two brushes that we used for that. We can throw that down there. Which for brevity we can do. Let's grab you, put you right there. Because that means I can drop this guy back now, and then the rule tiles can go. Well, I guess I don't even have to assign the rule tiles, but they can go there. I think what I need to do here now is let's grab this guy. Go and make this a brush again. The spray. I want more. It's a bit lacking around there. Brush. Let's add some more. Make this guy a little bit thicker. We got like we made this guy real thin. I'll probably mess up a bit too. Get you a bit closer to the edge. See, I feel like I'm gonna hate it, but whatever. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna file, export as. Those guys are not where they need to be. You guys can't even see this one anyway. All right, repos, Zomclave, assets, tile maps, forest, tile map, save, export. Okay, so we come over here. Where's palette? Okay, so they exist in here. Let's put in tile maps. That's not where I wanted to go. In tile maps. Create new 2D tile palette. Rectangular. Oh, shoot. Rectangular palette. No, you're going to be forest palette. You drag sprite in here, so it's probably going to be this guy. Forest tile map. Palette. Is that how it's done? There we go. Oh, actually, because what we need to do though is we gotta go into these import settings. Pixels per unit, 16. Spread mode multiple. Point. None. apply. Means we gotta delete this guy. Import. Forest palette. I gotta reslice this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Sprite editor. Why are you coming in as... multiple, apply, slice, there we go. Slice. Grid by cell size. Column 4, 5. Slice. There we go. Weird that I had to do that, but apply. There we go. Okay, so now I want to get rid of that. Wait, what? Come on. All right. Cool. That looks terrible. Great. Forest tiles. That in there. Okay. I can already tell it's a little bad. One, two, three, four. There's gonna be 16 of these. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grass rules. Let's lock this guy. Six is going to be this one. But it has to have tiles on every single side. Then the edges are probably the most likely. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to have here, here, and here. You need to have here, here, and here. You need to have here, here, and here. And you need to have here, here, and here. Okay, so then 1 or 0, 1, 13, 13, 9, 11. So it's going to be 1, 3, 9, 11. You need to have here and here. You need to have here and here. You need to have here and here. And you need to have here and here. Ooh, that means I do need those other. Interesting. Okay. If I go into the tile palette now, I've got nothing. Yeah. I do need that complex palette. Delete this guy. Delete that guy. Delete that guy. We need to delete all of this. So I actually do need this whole palette. The difference being is the fact that I don't really need all these rando ones, but interesting. Okay. So I'm going to take this, that, come over here. Put that down there. If I get rid of these tiles, it's gonna not screw up anything, actually. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Because actually what I can do is I'm gonna grab this tile. Put you right there. Get rid of all of you. Bring this up. So you can chill right here. And actually, I'm going to have to move this guy down just a bit because I'm going to have to be, it's going to get messy here in a second. So let's do that. Okay. So this guy will actually no longer be random. You're just going to be single. And now I can grab this, edit, new brush. All right, so we're gonna actually do that and just grab you, edit, new brush. There we go. See, this just doesn't look good. At least I have the backup here, so I'm just gonna kind of go crazy and just see what it looks like. So that's the problem. So if I just draw, it just covers everything. Maybe this is a time where I could use a little spray brush. Kinda. Let's do a quick and dirty and just see what it looks like. So let's do that. Pop back over here. Yeah, it just doesn't look good. Like, I don't. It's not what I want. I think, okay. Here's a thing I can do. Let's get rid of this brush thing. Let's do that. And then grab this guy. And make a brush. It needs more dark in it. Oops. Oh, no, that's okay. We got a brush here. Let's do that. back up. Yeah, so I gotta make sure those. I gotta make sure I match these correctly. It's like that guy should have a little dirt patch up there. Okay, so now we can do the same thing for this dirt patch. Let's grab you. All right. Think. Oh, I got so much I gotta do. Okay. I think that. Okay, so that's. Bottom left one is an L. Okay. That's actually what it's supposed to be like. And my hand is getting tired from all this clicking. I got a tablet. Let me grab that. Give myself carpal tunnel sitting here clicking nonstop. So what I want is that. There we go. Just need to keep tapping along. And hope this just doesn't look like garbage by the time I'm done. Oh man, I'm not looking for. I mean, I'm looking forward to this weekend. Because I got a big Warhammer tournament this weekend. But man, I'm not looking forward to getting up at like 5 in the morning to make the drive down to Vegas. Okay, so I think what I need to do now then is get rid of this guy. But LVO is the biggest tournament of the season for us. Probably the most, we do the most prep for it out of any other like GT that we do every year. So it's a big deal. So it's going to be nice to have the last couple months of prep finally come to fruition, or we'll show up and get our asses absolutely beat, which can happen. Okay, cool. So now I need to erase. Make this 4 pixels so I can... Oh, that didn't do quite what I wanted it to do. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Grab you. Do that. We're going to grab opaque, so that way I can kind of just do this. And then, there we go. I made it 14. That's why it was so... Oh, shoot. Okay, so if I save this off now, over here, that's not as bad. Dirt rules. So I gotta figure out which one of these is dirt. Textures, tile maps, dev. There it is. Dev tile map. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 is going to go up here. That's not right. 21. Okay, yeah, there's plenty of those. Oh, that's why. Open sprite editor. Slice. No, it's gonna be 12 by 4. 12 by 8, because apparently I have to have the thing. There we go. If I slice that, there we go. Apply. And it messes everything up. Hey, Zuraith, how's it going? I mean, 22 now should be that. So we put that there. This is just going to be not random. Wait. Single. That messed up all of these tiles. Oh my god. Tile map. no, not in textures. There's a different. That completely threw off the entire. What? How did that throw off all of the numbers? Also, one of these is like busted. Yep, there it is. Do that. There we go. Unity CEO hasn't done anything, or the current one hasn't done anything. As far as I know, he hasn't. Not yet, at least. Oh my god. So I seriously have to go through and... That shouldn't have broken anything, because 1 should still be... Or 0 is that. Let me find the damn tile. Okay, so that's the dirt. So the whole grass should be coming up here. It's 33. So let's pop that bad boy in there. Okay. Yeah, but all I did was change, like, I'm using the exact same tile map. I just drew over the top of this thing. And, oh, I know what's threw off the... It's because I added the dirt tile here. Because it used to go, you know, 0 to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, which I bet you 21 is still that tile. Yeah. But now 22 is the dirt tile, and that was 23. So everything is bumped up 1. So that means this should actually be 47, maybe? Okay, yeah. So I literally got to click these. Okay, okay. I see. Oh, work has been... Well, what do you mean by work? Working on this or work? Work's been... Work was fun during New Year's. Oh, see that? Okay, that wasn't right. Yeah, well, this is going poorly because I don't know how to draw. I don't even know if I like this texture. How is it that I can pull up a freaking, like... Here, let me... How hard is it to do that? To make a texture that looks like that doesn't look garbage? I don't understand how to do that. That's all I want to do. Other than that, work was fun because I didn't take off, you know, Christmas and New Year's because, because one, I didn't go anywhere for Christmas this year or New Year's. I've got my trip tomorrow that I was taking PTO for. Like I had a bunch of stuff like in January and February that I was taking time off for, so I didn't even bother doing vacation for Christmas and stuff. So then I want to say it was the day before the week of New Year's, or well, the Friday going. So it was like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then that was New Year's week. So it was the Friday beforehand. My boss messages me and was like, "Hey," he's like, "You're the only one that's in blah 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 blah." He's like, I'm gonna have you do on call. I was like, yeah, sure, no problem, I can do on call. I was like, the only problem is that I was like, New Year's Day I literally cannot check anything because I already had stuff going on. And then the Sunday basically because our on call goes Monday to Sunday, so then the Sunday of the end of my on call I also had stuff going on. So I was like, those 2 days I'm like, I cannot do, but I can check every day else. And he goes, and I quote, "Sounds good, should be a quiet week." However, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day is end of year. And we work on financial software, remember. End of month is already kind of an exciting time for us. End of year is that on steroids. And I was on the on-call. I was the on-call dev. And everything broke. And a lot of stuff I didn't even have access to. Or access to fix. And all of the people that did have that stuff didn't. So it was fun. And it was stressful. And it was left on me. And I did the best I can. And I survived. But it sucked. Anyway, why can't I draw that and make that look decent? Well, this one actually is a bad example because these are tiny pixels. Like, why can't I draw this and it make it look decent? When I do it, it just looks bad. Is there a pattern in here that I'm not seeing? Okay, there is a pattern in here. Maybe I'm going about this wrong. Maybe I need to draw the small pattern, lay it out, and then do the draw the connector, like the part that transitions from grass to the dirt manually, instead of trying to do the stamp this all. Okay, let's try this. So while we're okay, let's just make an entirely new. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 wide. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this guy. We're gonna make a new. (16 times 12). Oops. And 16 times 8. There we go. Drop that in there. Where's the pattern? Like, how big of a pattern is it? It looks like a quarter of it is the pattern. So if I do like an 8 by 8. I believe that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is an 8 by 8. I want to affect only this. Open this up on the other monitor. not even really a predominant color here either, is the fun part. So let's just let's do that. Oh, that was counterintuitive. So if I just click around. You know, maybe my issue is, let's do darker color like that. Oops. Oops. That. Maybe that's my problem, is I'm using too bright of colors and I don't like those. Doesn't look terrible, but I just don't understand. Okay, so I'm going to take this selection and I'm going to make it a stamp. Let's bring this guy up here. So can I not like... Can I see? Oh, I can. Okay, cool. So that's the reference. Two, three, four. So that's not it's not a, oh shoot. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, damn it. Okay, but then I don't want that. Oh, and it's not tall enough either. Damn it. Okay. Shoot. I think that looks okay. Oh, no, that's not what I want to do. So brush. Brush. There we go. So we want that. Okay, I did something weird. Let's do that, that. Oh, nope, that does cause just a weird thing in the middle. Okay, so. So what we do then is let's grab these four. Or that, put it. There. Oh wait, that just accomplished doing the thing. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. That's worse. Let's just get rid of some of the... like that color. Go there. There. I'll put that color there. Oh, no, I'm just creating the same thing there. Darn it. That should be better. I thought doing this would be easier, and it's not. Okay. So that's that. I gotta figure out the dirt. Ooh, actually, let's select this to mask this out. I suck at drawing. Maybe I need like a gray. Let's add a gray in here. A little bit darker though. A little bit darker still. There we go. So I can do that, that, and that. Okay, so now I need to break up some of these colors. That's going to be a recognizable pattern that's going to happen. So I can put you there. That's horrendously big. I hope I don't regret. Actually, my chat is not big enough. I barely ever have anybody in here. As I say, I hope I don't regret allowing perv. Yeah, that one's fine. What do I care? Even if I was big, I don't think I necessarily would care about that. Because I feel like if that was being abused, so there's someone in chat just straight up being a dick to someone. Oh man, okay. So now if I grab this guy, I need to, okay, control B. There we go. So I only want to go like 4 tiles in here, I think. And then something like that. And then all I got to do is put some grass around the edge of that, I guess. This suddenly became a lot more work. Like a lot more work. But the beauty is I can do this. Put you there. Edit. Shift H and Shift V. Okay, so Shift V. Cool. 2. Grab that. Oh, that don't work. There, we can do that, and then grab that. That there. There, that's one of them. And if I do this, grab you, put you down here, but then I grab this middle chunk here. C. Bring you down. That. So I think I want these to take up a bigger portion. So if I do that. Do that. Grab this, that, put you there. There we go. That gives me a bigger border. Actually, so it's going to be 2 about right there. About right there. There we go. I might just leave these blocky. The intent is to spawn like foliage on top of it anyway. So if I grab all this garbage, C, V, bring it over here, shift. Oh wait, no, I gotta rotate this. How do I rotate? That, there we go. So that's that. And this, actually, now that I'm doing this, shouldn't be that much harder to do all of the things that we want to do, because now I need the grid. View, grid settings. There we go. So essentially what I can do here is put you there. Oh, I didn't realize that weird stretch that happens right here. There we go. Just put that right there, I guess. I'll erase this bit. Okay, so what we need to do then is, I don't even think I need the brush anymore. Okay, what I actually need now is not an 8x8. I need the 16x16, because then I can come in here. And I can go, I need this bit. And put that right there. But then I need a little bit of dirt over here. So if I put that there. What color am I missing? So I need you to go here. Shift H. CV here. Shift V. Shift H. Oh, no. I turned my grid off. There we go. You need to be Shift H. Okay, so that's that. Oh, it's gonna suck to set all this shit up again. Is it even worth spending my time making this tile map right now? Because I'm probably gonna end up wanting to redo it later anyway. Because I don't even know if I like this. That's gonna be a rotate. Rotate counterclockwise. There's no hotkey for this either, which is annoying. Counterclockwise. And basically what I need here is so I need the whole thing right here. It's going to get dropped into here. And then all I got to do is this. I think the problem is it's not going to match. I think I want this, but I don't think it's going to match the game. Because if I commit to like this heavily pixelated shit, like my bunker immediately has to be redone because it's also heavily pixelated. I think I'm better off like just sticking with this guy for the time being. And if I remake it, like remake something in the, because like right now I'm completely shifting art styles. And like even this is going to have to be edited because I don't want the blocky style. Yeah, I'm just not even going to waste my time with this. Save. There's just not a reason to do this. And annoyingly, I don't think I've pushed. Yeah, I'm going to have to straight up undo. Ooh, well, first what I need to do is the map. Back up. Control Alt, Control C, Control V. Get rid of this guy. Delete that. Delete that. Save. There we go. Now let's just... Oh, and I freaking messed. Okay, I can undo this. I just got to look for it in the... Oh, except I can't because these rule tiles were new. Oh, damn it. Okay. Tile map. Oh, that's okay. It's sprite editor. I just gotta reslice this guy, that's all. Slice. Pixel size, these are all 16 by 16. Slice. Apply. Okay. We might be back. Okay, well, we're partially back. 32, 47, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay. We're back. And then if I... Where's palette? Textures. Or tile maps. Forest dirt rules. If I put that back there, did this guy get broken? This guy got super broken. Okay. That is fine. We go. Now if I go to the textures, dev, I really got to move this out of dev tile map. 53, 3, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. There we go. We're back. Screw that. We're just leaving this thing there because that tile map was not going to match at all. That was going to end up being just horrendous. Okay, so that means now I can go here. I can grab the eraser. Let's just erase all this. Cool. Hierarchy. Let's make sure this still generates correctly. Which it seems like it do. That looks like a good generation. Okay. So I've been streaming for an hour and a half and we've accomplished nothing. We are back to literally where I started today. But it's fine. We realized that was a bad idea. So what we want to figure out now is... What do I even want to figure out? I got to get my sprites off my old machine. I forgot to grab them. It's sitting over there, not plugged in. I mean, I could pull them, I guess I could pull them off of GitHub. Actually, no, while we're talking about the reason why I ended stream early last time I streamed because GitHub was down and having issues and I couldn't figure out what was going on. And oh, you can't even see GitHub because I'm sharing my window. Basically, I couldn't push to GitHub. The error was like a 500. So I knew it wasn't me, but like part of me still thought it was me and I was panicking and I was like, oh shit, I got to figure this out. And it was just GitHub having issues, but it like completely derailed me. All right, so let's commit all this, push that. Okay, now we have a clean slate where if I screw up, I can just hit undo. Now, what I need is bits of crap that can spawn. Oops, that's not what I want to do. And I want to make these a little bit more busy, but I don't know. But okay, so let's figure out decent grass. Or like bushes instead of the crap bushes I had drawn before. And I undid my tablet. So I'm thinking. So this is the base green. This is the backup. Okay, I'm just going to draw on the backup. Soul grass. No, I want more of like a pixel bush. Or I want like tall grass. So that's what I'm really looking forward to. Looking for. Kind of want something. That went all wacko. Something like that. Then I need to highlight it a bit, I guess. See, I don't have an art style yet, so I don't really know how to make this. Let's just draw it over top. But the problem is too, this is gonna clash. Do I have a brighter green? Thought I did. But like if I take this, overlay it on here, that just blends right in. So we can't do that. So it should actually be more like brownish, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I just start. Maybe I just start with what I think we're just gonna start with what I had, to be honest, and just import the old art and just use that stuff, and then I can update later. Because I need to get this game out more than anything. Like, the art is fine. I'm probably just overthinking it. So yeah, I actually just like accomplished nothing today. That's cool. Because I don't have any of the... I need to clean up my... I gotta clean this stuff up so bad. Tile map. I'm gonna go in here, create a folder called Forest. The rules are gonna go in there. And then not you. You guys are gonna go into tile maps. So this is going to be called tiles. Create folder rules. I'm going to put the rules in here. And then I got the tile map itself. Well, it's like the art takes so long. I want to get this game out and like in people's hands and stuff like that to like play test it a bit before I, invest a ton into it. All right. What do I want to do? I got 45 minutes. And I can't really import any of that art right now, so I can't do anything with that stuff yet. What is it that I could do right now? When I say 45 minutes, I actually probably mean more like 15 minutes. I do got a pack still. All right. What can I do in? True. Honestly, I get the next 2 days off, and Monday's a holiday for me too, so I have 3 days off of work. It's gonna be great. I don't want to call it early, but I might go ahead and just call it early. Because basically everything that I want to do right now, I can't do because I got to get my stuff off my old computer. So yeah, I think I might just do that then. Yeah, so I'll be back Tuesday. Hopefully next week too. I am on normal. I'll be back on normal schedule again. Now that we're past the holidays, I'll be past the tournament. So I'll be back on Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. I might do different things now. Because I think I want to incorporate just like playing games into my stream too. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back to normal schedule again finally next Tuesday. So I will see you then. Have a good night and have a good weekend. See ya.